Okay. Hello, I'm Kotarovsky, and today I would like to talk about Seoinage, because in the last movie I mentioned about some part of Seoinage, how to write and how it's explaining itself. So what does it mean, the words Seoinage? And let's start. What Seoinage means? Oh, there is some dirt. What Seoinage means? And Seoinage, it's written like this. Maybe you saw this in somewhere, maybe on the website, Kodokan's website, official website, or somewhere. And then in kanji letters, let's analyze them, each of these kanji letters, and how they are pronouncing for each of them. This is se. Oh, yeah, okay. Se, and this is oi, and the last part, of course, nage. So the Seoinage is se first. Firstly, Seoinage is se. It's this one letter is composed with two pieces of kanji, and these two pieces, and one piece, the first one, it means two persons who are on back to back, like I'm standing on here and another person is standing on rear side of me. Then two people are looking like this for this ancient Chinese people, and they drew this for the beginning of kanji letters. So I don't know how it looks like. Just ask to this old ancient Chinese people. But it makes sense because it looks like a little bit like two humans. Maybe this part is hand, and this is leg, and this is upper body part, and two persons. So it looks like this, maybe, and another person standing on like this. So two persons back to back, and this down part, it means a piece of meat. Yeah, I see a piece of steak from a beef steak. It looks like, and these two pieces gets together and it composes this one letter. So but I don't know why, but it means back to back. Maybe it means not meat, but muscles or skins or something like these inspirations made this design to make this one letter. So it means back, like back part. And next one, we know Seoinage's se means, and Seoinage's oi. Seoinage's oi meaning is here. It's pronouncing oi, and again two parts. One part is this upper part, this part, and second part is down part of this. So the upper part first. Again, a person turns back to blah 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 blah. So just one person is insisting or expressing back, like just to showing back, or showing back to something, facing your own back against something. So then the down part, it means shells, like shells, but it used to be dealt as a money. So in ancient time, not now. I don't know why the shells are dealt as money, like worthful things. I must study histories, but I don't know. Maybe you know. And shells equals money. it looks like shells. Same figures two times, doubled. Yeah, exactly looks like shells. Then these two letters, these two characters are getting together and this one letter is composed. And all together, and it means to carry something or to lose something. So we use this letter to express losing, like losing in fights, like conversely to winning. For winning, we use, maybe you saw this in somewhere, this letter. This is winning. And for losing, we use this. But for this time, Seoinage, it's not meaning losing. Seoinage's oi, now we saw that this oi, it includes the meaning of showing your back to something and just shows. So it means maybe this letter shows that one person is carrying money or carrying shell shows. Okay, then next thing, the last part of last kanji letter is nage. I think everybody knows nage, it means throwing. Maybe nobody defined that, but we have many nagewaza, and nagewaza, even this nagewaza's nage has this kanji, so you know it by your sense, like by naturally you got what it means. But it shows, this is the kanji for nage, as you know, and two parts. It's composed by two parts, and first part on the left side, this one is this, and it shows that a hand with 5 fingers. You see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, and I think this part could be a wrist, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers. Definitely. We see. Okay, then left part is done, and the right part. The right part of this kanji shows that a hand has a cane, like cane for Harry Potter's, or cane for old guys. So a hand. Probably this part is again the wrist, and this part is a hand, and this part is a cane, I think. I see like this, maybe different. But now you see this left part, it means hand, and the right part means hand, but it has a cane. Probably he's gonna throw it away. Old grandpa is gonna throw this cane away and he's gonna fight, maybe. Like judo master, it shows that judo masters. But it's funny, like to imagine what it means is very, very mysterious, but because of this mystery, I feel more, I can make more imaginations. Then, now I explained all 3 kanjis of this Seoinage. So I'll all get together to here, and let's put all meanings together. Seoinage se, it means back. Then Seoinage's oi, to carry something. And third one, Seoinage's nage, is to throw something. Now you see general vision. So the seoinage means, translate these kanjis in English, like that. To carry on your back and throw. Repeat after me. To carry on your back and throw. Like English class. But this is like hybrid English and Japanese class. It's very interesting. To carry something on your back. That's it. It means to carry something on your back and throw. It's very clear. Very clear. Nice. This seoinage in Japan, just seoinage, it means just morote seoinage. Thank you for this class, and see you in next movie. I don't know, I don't decide which techniques I will explain about, but see you. Bye. Do zobaczenia do następnie w filmie.